Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hand make these masks here. With everything going on with the coronavirus, they are recommending for everybody to wear masks, not only to protect the people who are sick, but to protect yourself from them. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching. I am going to be showing you how to make these face masks by hand. If you do have a sewing machine, it's pretty self-explanatory when you go ahead and add it into the machine. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be working with, but feel free to use whatever material you do have at home. Most stores are sold out of a lot of these things. These are the items I'm going to use to make the mask. You need a ruler, you need 100% cotton fabric. I am using this string here, it's called rat tail cord, scissors, a needle, string, and some pins. Now let's get started. What you want to do first is get your ruler. All of the masks I'm going to be making are going to be 9 by 6. So it's going to be 9 inches long and 6 inches tall. And you want to do the same with the fabric that you're going to be using. As far as your string goes, I'm going to be making these 6 inches long. We're going to be cutting a total of 4. Next, what you want to do is get the outside of the mask and put it inside of the fabric. So as you can tell, this will be the inside. So what we're going to do is flip this to face this side here. We're going to go ahead and place in our string. You want to get your ruler and you want to do 1/2 inch and then place it in. You can get a pin and place that. You're going to go ahead and do the rest to all 4. I do know that most stores are sold out of elastic as of the beginning of April. What I'm using is a rat tail cord. This is pretty durable and it's holding up pretty well. If there is no elastic, I do recommend you use this material here, or you can always use a shoelace. Whatever you have at home, at least you have something to protect yourself with. So once you have placed all of your strings into the inside of the mask, you're going to go ahead and start sewing. If you're using a sewing machine, this is when you would start. I would recommend you start and sew all around. You do want to leave an opening so you can turn in that mask inside out. If you're going to do it by string, you'll go ahead and start sewing now. Once you get to this point of all of these being sewed up, you're going to have a little opening here. This is where you turn in your mask inside out. So you want to reach inside the mask, pull. So even if you messed up on the stitching, you can't see it. So you're going to go ahead and pull all the strings. You're going to go ahead and get the bottom side where you turned it inside out, and you're going to go ahead and start sewing. So this is going to be the bottom of the mask. So from here you want to make the folds. So what I'm going to do here is do one fold, place a pin, another fold, and one more. And you're going to go ahead and stitch that up. You're going to follow these same folds on the other side. Alright, so now that I have made folds on both sides, this is how the mask looks. What you want to do here is just put the iron on top of it, that way the folds stay. And you can just put it on there. The reason why I didn't put any rubber bands is because this way you can adjust it to any face size. So what you would do here is you can either make a little knot and put it on, or you can put it on your ear and make a little bow towards the back. And the strings are pretty long to where you can adjust it to your size and your comfort. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on for you guys so you guys can see how they fit. This one's the one that we just made together. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. So first I get one of them and tie it. So I put this one on your ear. And then you want to put the other one on. And there you have it. Pretty easy to make, pretty easy to come off. I would recommend you guys trying to make them. The CDC does recommend everybody be wearing masks right now, so you don't necessarily have to use the cotton, but I feel that for myself, it's easier for me to breathe out of it than the actual surgical masks that we have at work. So this has been very comfortable for me. All you do to wash it is put it in hot boiling water and let it air dry. I will link down below the cotton I have used. I purchased it at Walmart and it's been working perfectly fine for me. If you guys do have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below and I can answer them to the best of my knowledge. If you guys did find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed, and I will see you guys all in my next video.